been a while since I have done what's for dinner, cook with me's, and I wanted to do a cook with me today. My name is Lillian from Dreamer Housewife, and today we're gonna do a cook with me. I'm gonna make some Alaskan sockeye salmon. I think that's what it's called, wild caught. I don't make salmon often, I really don't, but you know, I'm learning how to do it. So I have a recipe that I found from Pioneer Women. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna be making. This is the Pioneer Woman book I'm using. It is Come and Get It. I really need to start using these books. I have not been using my cookbooks for a long time. I have not made salmon for over a year, and so I'm excited to make this one today. So I'm gonna make the honey soy salmon, and here's some of the ingredients, and hopefully it comes out good. Hopefully everybody likes it. I'm gonna start with the chicken breast. This is, I think, some organic chicken breast, the skinless, boneless. This is for Lily because Lily does not like any kind of fish, and I'm gonna season it with this today. I have never seasoned it with this. I have seasoned meat with like chicken bouillon, but not the tomato one. I'm pretty sure it'll taste good. So I'm gonna season it up with this, put it here until I'm ready to cook it. I added some olive oil. The pan was already heating up, so I just added some of this organic olive oil real quick, because the chicken's gonna take longer than the salmon, so I gotta get that on there. Let's hear that sizzle.
Makeup stained sheets, tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But forget will you take, only take enough to swallow the pain.
I moved this little frilly thing so that it won't burn. Okay, so in the recipe of Pioneer Woman, it says to put some lime zest. It says just put a little bit. How much does it say to put? Let me see. It says zest of 2 limes, but I feel like that's a little too much. But here's a zest of 2 limes right there. And then also gonna put some cilantro, because I love cilantro. We like cilantro. And just gonna mix it together. So this is how the rice came out. That's how it looks. It looks good. It looks like it's not mushy, so hopefully it came out good. So I'm just gonna mix it in there, cover it, and put it on the side. My daughter just brought me a surprise. What is this? Let me see. It's Hershey's with toffee and almonds. I never tried that. I'm gonna eat one of those right now. I'm not gonna eat too many. I'm just gonna eat one. I need to like discipline myself. Okay. But you can see the toffee and the almonds in there. I like these. These are really good. Definitely gonna be buying these again. If you guys haven't seen my grandbaby, oh, she was just walking. Let me see, baby. Let me see, mamas. She's eating a cookie. Walk, come on, baby. Let's see if she'll get it. She doesn't want to get it. She's like, I'm tired of walking. Oh, look at her, so beautiful. That's Snow. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Say I'm eating a cookie.
Who
Okay, so I have everything here. I have my butter, some soy sauce, and some lemon juice. I got some honey. So it says for me, there's no, I already cooked the stuff. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in here. And let's melt that up. I hope you guys can hear me. And I'm bending down because I'm too tall. And you guys won't be able to see me because of this. Okay, so I'm melting the butter. And then it says to put in, let me see. It says to add the honey, so I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of honey in here. You hear my granddaughter? She's so cute. I can't get enough of her. She's so beautiful. Okay, so I put 3 tablespoons of honey in there. And then what else? Soy sauce. So I have a lot of soy sauce in here because I have more. It says to put 2 fillets in there, but I'm actually going to put 3 right now. So I'm just going to put some of this soy sauce, not all of it. Okay, a little bit more. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, and 2 lemon zest. I'm just a regular housewife, still learning. I'm not like the greatest cook. I'm not going to say that I am. I'm still learning, and I love trying new recipes. For a while, I have not been cooking, so I'm back at cooking. I've been like lagging at cooking. I just wasn't feeling it for a while. Actually, for months, I wasn't really feeling it. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on medium heat, and I'm going to wait till it's bubbling and it's thick. The sauce is thickening up, so I'm going to go ahead and put the salmon inside of there. My husband tastes it. It tastes good, he said. Has a little tangy taste to it. Thank you, Evelyn. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Gotta make some room up in here. Let me see.
This piece is a thick piece too.
I know. Okay.
I'll eat this.
Okay. And I'm just gonna turn off. It says return the salmon to the skillet and spoon the sauce over on top. So I'm gonna add some of that lime zest cilantro rice. I'm just gonna put a little layer because I'm gonna put the salmon on top of it. Like that. Then I'm gonna add some salmon and some of the juice. Spatula. It says to put juice over it, even on top of the rice. And I'm gonna add some cilantro on top. And we're gonna have a side of broccoli with it. This is gonna be good. Good for our hearts today. For sure. And then there's dinner tonight. It's some salmon. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna have my husband taste test it after to let you know how it tastes.
Are you waiting for me, Lo?
Yes, you're taste testing it.
All right.
Move your water though.
I'm the official judge.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, the judge here loves everything.
Do you like? You love everything.
Let's see here. All right.
Okay. How's the sauce?
It's good. I like it.
You like it?
A little tangy.
Can you tell that I put lime zest in the rice? Can you guys taste that?
Yeah.
A little bit, huh? It's mild.
I don't know. It's good either way.
Drown the pain until it all wash away.